Class Division number 1. Another mile race. Stand by na for dispatch. And they're up. Prince Carlo from the outside. Gondor moving up in between the runners. Then comes Leica in Manila. Simply Strong is by the rail. Then comes Key Element moving up. Is Morning Nail. Socialeros running by the rail is entry number 6, and that is Holy King. Heading towards the 3/4 mile pole. Leica in Manila in command by about 2 lengths, followed by Gondor in second. Key Element is down in third, followed now by entry number 1, Simply Strong. Then comes Mischievous, Prince Carlos, Socialeros, following by entry number 8, Hoy Sobra Na. Royal Scepter is running alongside Cool Turner, Holy King, and Amarosa is running at the tail of the field, about to pass the last 800. Now we have Key Element takes command over Gondor in second. Leica in Manila is running in third, and Simply Strong as they swing towards the last 600. Gondor running on the outside. Key Element is by the rail. Leica in Manila, Simply Strong, Prince Carlo is down in fifth. Then moving up is Mischievous, Socialeros, Royal Scepter closing in together with Hoy Sobra Na as they swing to the last 450. Gondor running on the outside. Key Element is by the rail. Prince Carlo then moving up by the rail is Socialeros, Royal Scepter, and with the last 200 meters more to run, Gondor running on the outside. Socialeros, a long shot moving up by the rail. Socialeros moves up to take the lead. Gondor is already out there versus Spill. Jackie CC de la Cruz left unseated. Now we have Socialeros in command, and finally Socialeros. Second Gondor, Hoy Sobra Na. Then comes Amarosa and Prince Carlo for your Pentapecta.